Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna do a clothing haul. I found really cool New Year party dresses which are budget friendly from Amazon. Amazon is having great discounts and offers for the Christmas and New Year's. I had been hunting for these kind of party dresses for a while and I'm super glad that I found all these pieces from Amazon. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. The first piece of outfit is a maxi dress. This is from the brand called Mistakes. They have some really affordable, very cool party outfits. So this is one of them. This is a semi-sequined halter neck dress. You have these really beautiful full gold sequin until the waistline. Below that you have this beautiful maroon fabric all over. You have these really secure hooks at the back to hold your entire dress in place properly. Since it's a halter neck, of course the sleeves are sleeveless. The most interesting part of this outfit for me is that it has a very interesting cut at the bottom of the dress. It's like this draped tulip shape underneath, which looks absolutely stunning on my body. I do not have anything like this in my collection with a different cut, so I really love how pretty it looks on me. The next outfit that I have is this stunning one shoulder crop top. This is from the brand called Urban Creation. I absolutely fell in love with the top as soon as I saw it on the website. Can you see how gorgeous and sparkly and glittery it is? The base material for this crop top is velvet and you have these beautiful sparkling embellished sequins all over it. There are also multiple color options for this particular crop top, but I really gravitated towards the color blue, so I picked this one. Though it is very embellished on the outside, it feels absolutely snug and comfortable on the inside. They have kind of given this lining material on the inside, so that makes you feel very comfortable. I cannot wait to pair this with something in a white shade for the bottom. How cool that would look. Probably a high-waisted white jean would look amazing with this kind of a crop top. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention my size is medium in all of the outfits. You also have this elastic thing right on the shoulder and neck. It's not going to fall away from your body or anything. You don't have to worry about this top slipping off or away from your body. It's a very secure outfit. The sleeve is a one shoulder sleeve, of course, and the length of the sleeve is full length, and on the other side it is completely off shoulder. I was hunting for something with sequin and I found the right pieces on Amazon. The next piece of clothing is also a top. Now this is a very simple kind of a top, but you can completely dress it up with some really nice chunky accessories. You can also make use of it for your casual looks as well. It would look absolutely pretty. This is from the brand called JB Fashion Store, and I must admit I was eyeing on this product from a very long time and I finally picked this up. Again, this top has multiple color options to choose from. I chose this baby pink color. The material again is a polyester stretchable material and it sits so well on my body and feels really comfortable too. I am all for the comfort more than the looks. The sleeves are half sleeves with puffy detailing on the top, which makes it very cute looking. The neckline is like this. It's like a hybrid between a round and a square neck. You can absolutely style this up with a really nice pleated skirt or even a netted skirt and just put on a nice chunky necklace on yourself and you're good to go for a party. The next dress that I have is again from the brand Miss Chase, and this is how it looks. It's a very stunning Georgette full-length maxi dress. The material of this outfit is chiffon all over, but you have this really beautiful netted detailing until the bust, which actually makes it all the more prettier. When I saw this on the website, I didn't really feel like it would look that amazing, but when it came to me and when I tried it out, I absolutely fell in love. This is a sleeveless dress with a hybrid between a boat neck and a round neck. You have this button at the back to secure it in place. They also have this zipper on the side. I love these kind of dresses with the zipper on the side because I find that these kind of side zipper dresses give you an amazing shape to your body and also sits snug on your body and just holds the entire outfit in place. You also have a very nice satin lining inside, so it doesn't make you feel pokey or anything. In fact, it is very comfortable and you get this amazing flare to the dress. It is so beautiful on the body. Very elegant piece of clothing and I absolutely fell in love. The final piece of outfit for this video is the stunning dress that I'm wearing right now. It's an all over embellished sequin dress. The length of the dress is knee length and the sleeve is like a 3x4 sleeve. The material of this outfit is velvet and you have this beautiful stunning sequin all over the dress placed so close to each other, which looks absolutely stunning and perfect for a party. It again has a nice lining on the inside, so it feels very snug and comfortable from the inside even though it is very sparkly. This outfit is gonna be a head turner if you wear one for a New Year's party. It's such a pretty blingy dress to wear. I am very much comfortable with a knee length dress, so it's not too short or not too long. The one that I'm wearing is in a purple shade. Again, this outfit has multiple colors to choose from. The neckline is a very simple round neckline. So guys, those were all the stunning party New Year outfit that I got from Amazon in a budget. Amazon is having great discounts for Christmas and New Year's, so don't forget to check it out. All the links of the outfits that I showed you in today's video will be mentioned in the description box. This is it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Make sure to hit the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a new video on my channel. Also follow me on my Instagram. I'll put the link in the description box. This is it. Take care of yourselves and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye.